And now for number 12, the last problem on the review. We have a set of data, so I need to go through here and put it in. Hit Stat, so you can see the list, right? Edit, and I have a list here. Fast way to clear a list is to go up and hit Clear. Enter. Voila, it's clear. Alright, let me enter 49, 49, 33, 40, 38, 9, 45, 30, 37, 50. Okay, we're all the way up here. 34, 11, 46, 49, 34, 37, 30, 49, 32, 30. So let's see, 32, 31, 47, 50, 35, 35, 32, 31. Alright, let's see 7 data points. Let's double check. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm up to 15. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 27. Good sign. And nobody in here looks super crazy, so I hope this is the right set of... Oh, do I have a 9? Yes, I do have a 9 in there. Alright. Okay, so all looks good. So you can do the 5-number summary by doing Stat Calc, one-var stats, and it's list 1. This calculator doesn't mind. And my 5-number summary is the last 5 numbers on here, and it even gives you the name. So you got min equals 9, Q1 equals 31, median equals 37, you can see it right there, Q3 equals 47, and max equals 50. So those are my 5 numbers. Pretend that's a 50, alright? And to create a box and whisker plot, ideally I would have a scale underneath here where I would mark some numbers. 0, let me just do rough number, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Alright, I know that I'm going to have a dot somewhere here. That's my max. I'm going to have 47 is going to be the edge of my box, so it's probably about there. And my median is 37, that's kind of like right here. Let's go ahead and start lining up. And Q1 is right at 31. And my min is 9. So I have this box and whisker plot. Alright? And you can definitely say that the data is skewed left. Now, interesting thing, in case you're in, so I'll say 9. Doesn't hurt to write these numbers here, just so people know that you know what you're doing. Alright? And better to label them. It's not normal to do it, but it sure helps. Alright. Cool thing is, you might have learned about outliers, and your calculator will actually do that. So if I wanted to do this box and whisker plot, right, make sure your plot's turned on. If it's not turned on, you won't see anything. So we taught you the standard box and whisker plot right here. You can actually graph it, and you're going to go, wait a second, it doesn't fit. Zoom 9. Voila. If you hit trace, you should see the values. Alright? Now, if you want to see what the outliers are, basically you change your plot type. See the one with the little dots? And then you hit graph. And it says, well, let's see. Let me make sure I hit that. Yeah? Looks like we don't have any outliers. So let's find out if that's true. So if you do have outliers, what you're going to see are some dots. What this is telling me with no dots is that there are no outliers. Well, how can I check that? IQR for this is this width, right? So the width is 16, and 1.5 of these, that's another 8, would be 24 up, right? 24 that way, and 24 that way. Well, 31 minus 24 is 7. if this point had just been a little bit lower, it would have been an outlier. But since it's 9 and it's on this side of 7, it's not an outlier. So there are no outliers, in case you're interested. So how did I figure that out? You take, again, you go 24 wide over here, and if it falls outside of that 24, it's an outlier. You go 24 wide here. Here, if I had a point that was higher than 71, would be my fence, my upper limit. And for this one, we said it would be 7 is my lower limit. Since I have nothing at 7 or lower than 7, I have no outliers. The way where I would show the math, I would say IQR times 1.5. We said that was 16. 24. And lower limit, you take Q1, 31 minus 24, and the upper limit, you take Q3 and add the 24, and that gets it to me. All right.